Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about use of XML and how to use XML. So, XML is used in many aspects of web development, often to simplify data storage and sharing. So, let's see various use of XML. First, XML separates data from HTML. If you need to display dynamic data in your HTML document, it will take a lot of work to edit the HTML each time the data changes. With XML, data can be stored in separate XML files. This way, you can concentrate on using HTML for layout and display, and be sure that changes in the underlying data will not require any changes to the HTML. With a few lines of JavaScript, you can read an external XML file and update the data content of your HTML. XML simplifies data sharing. In the real world, computer systems and databases contain data in incompatible formats. XML data is stored in plain text format. This provides a software and hardware independent way of storing data. This makes it much easier to create data that different applications can share. XML simplifies data transport. With XML, data can easily be exchanged between incompatible systems. One of the most time-consuming challenges for developers is to exchange data between incompatible systems over the internet. Exchanging data as XML greatly reduces this complexity since the data can be read by different incompatible applications. XML simplifies platform changes. Upgrading to new system is always very time consuming. Large amount of data must be converted and incompatible data is often lost. XML data is stored in text format. This makes it easier to expand or upgrade to new operating system, new application, or new browser without losing data. XML makes your data more available. Since XML is independent of hardware, software, and application, XML can make your data more available and useful. Different applications can access your data not only in HTML pages, but also from XML data sources. With XML, your data can be available to all kinds of reading machines like handheld computer, voice machine, newsfeed, etc. and make it more available for blind people or people with other disabilities. XML is used to create new internet technologies or languages. A lot of new internet languages are created with XML. Let's see some of the example. For example, XHTML, the latest version of HTML, is also created using XML. WSDL for describing available web services. Web and WML as a markup language for handheld devices. RSS language for news feeds. RDF and OWL for describing resource and ontology. SML for describing multimedia for the web. So, these are the various uses of XML. You can find your domain and you can use XML where you want to use. So, this is about various uses of XML. Thank you.